it is now the symbol of sustainability. Kasi nga it captures more carbon dioxide, 30% more than the ordinary trees. It produces 30% more oxygen than ordinary trees, and it can thrive together with the trees. Like hindi mo na kailangan magputol ng puno in order to grow a bamboo. So I think it is really, and of course it provide food. Okay, it is the best material also for our mga daily na ginagawa natin. And I think we have that symbolic, okay, our bahay kubo, okay, in the Philippines. Sabi kasi lang, pag nakatira ka sa bahay kubo is mahirap ka. Gusto ko din tanggalin yung perspektibo na yon. And then maganda din siya sa soil erosion. I know you're a fan of bamboo, Howie. Halos lahat, okay? Lahat ng kailangan mo nasa kawayan kasi ngayon may yung dahon niya pwedeng gawing bamboo tea. Okay? And it's very healthy. So almost complete na siya, okay, bilang isang produkto. And basically, it's all about, it's environmental, ano talaga, it's environmental aspect. Yun talaga yung pinakamalaking consideration.